Today, in our conference, we're going to talk about low privacy in new technologies, especially between wearables and apps and their relations. In these days, the inclusion of the Internet of Things, and the objects, the cloud computing services, and the big data, all these allow massive access and process to any information at any time and from any place. All this, or that means that we are living in a connected society. That is a question, or maybe that is a part of a question. And these can generate risk for the security of personal information. In other words, they generate major challenges for the protection of personal data nowadays and in the coming years. Moreover, this inclusion of the Internet into objects and wearables in particular can be a problem for our privacy. Maybe now, today, we must answer ourselves when we collect personal data from wearable, are we opening a wide door into big data? This is what my colleague Julia and I would like to address. Anyway, look at these statistics. According to the latest studies, by 2019, the amount of wearables sold will be 200 million. As you can see, in 2015, the sales of wearables had an explosive rise since the introduction of the Apple smartwatch. This watch, in the second quarter of 2015, became the best-selling wearable device. In 2016, the sales of wearables went up dramatically, and the expectations are to reach 110 million wearables sold by the end of this year. Obviously, in this case, we are not just talking about smartwatches, but also glasses, clothes, etc. So then, what are we talking about when we talk about wearables? We can think about then as wearable technology and wearable computing. Both are correct, but defined from different points of view. One is neutral, and the other one is a legal definition. The Cambridge Advanced Learners Dictionary says that wearable technology consists of things that can be worn, such as clothing or glasses, that contain computer technology or have the ability to connect to the Internet. Looking at the legal definition from Opinion 8/2014, Article 29, Working Party, the definition, it defines it as everyday objects and clothes, such as watches or glasses, in which sensors are included to extend their functionalities. To do so, they may embed cameras, microphones, and sensors that can record and transfer personal data, sometimes without control.